Meet your brain. Hey there, curious minds. Waving hand today, we're going on an exciting adventure into your very own head. Get ready to meet the brain. Brain collision. What is the brain? The brain is like your body's supercomputer. Laptop computer, it helps you think, feel, remember, and even dream. It controls everything, from blinking your eyes to wiggling your toes foot. Brain parts. Cerebrum, the big boss. It helps you think, learn, and make decisions. Cerebellum, the balancer. It keeps you steady and helps with movement. Brainstem, the bodyguard. It keeps your heart beating and helps you breathe, even when you sleep. White heavy check mark. Your brain has over 86 billion neurons. White heavy check mark. It sends messages faster than a race car. White heavy check mark, and it never sleeps, even when you do. Want to be brain smart? Try these. Red apple, eat healthy foods. Person running, stay active. Sleeping face, get enough sleep. Books, keep learning and exploring. Now you know why your brain is so amazing. So next time you think, feel, or dream, remember, your brain is the superstar behind it all. Glowing Star Brain. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye bye, Brainiacs.